have another taste test. This one is the carbonara, so it's like a cheese flavored ramen. I'm using a bigger bowl this time because it does not fit in the small bowl that I have. A little ASMR. I really love this packaging. 8 ounces or 600 milliliters of boiling water. So I grabbed my scale. 100 milliliters of water. Let's do the cheesy powder first. And I'm gonna add in the sauce packet. Still pretty spicy though. These are definitely better.
I agree.
Yep. It's still kind of giving like rice-a-roni, but you can't really expect much from like a package of ramen. I think that one's like a 7 out of 10. 7? 7 out of 10.